Today I'm taking a look at the ORICO hard drive enclosure. So here is the enclosure. It's a very neat, almost monolith looking enclosure. We got some indicators on the front for power, disc 1 and disc 2. On the back we got our power port, our data port, and a power button. And that does have rubber feet on the bottom, so it's not going to be sliding around. Here we have our data cable, so that is USB-C to USB-A, but it looks like we have an adapter here so we can go USB-C to USB-C. We have our power supply and our power cable. It says that that's good for 1 or 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic. It outputs 4 amps at 12 volts. We have some mounting screws, we have a screwdriver, and we have our instructions. And it says that this one is going to be good for 44 terabytes. So it has a pretty unique look, and the way this opens up is we just click the top, and it'll pop open, and then we can take our drive trays out. And these are actually metal trays, these are not plastic. We have holes to accommodate 3.5 size drives. We also have holes to accommodate 2.5 size drives. And if we look in there, we can see the SATA ports in the back, so the drives are basically just going to slide right in and then make that connection. So I got one solid state drive, I got one mechanical drive. It appears to pick that up right away. Picked up both drives right away, so that's good. And we can see you have all the LEDs there on the bottom. So this is our mechanical drive. And it does play those files. Now let's check our solid state drive, and it also plays those files. So I'm going to go to the solid state drive, and we'll do a speed test. And we can see that we do have an activity indicator right there flashing to let us know that it is reading that drive. Okay, so for sequential 1 MB 8 process 1 thread, we got 447 on the read and 444 on the write. For sequential 1 MB 1 process 1 thread, 371 and 426. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, 55 and 47. And for the random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 23 and 38. So those are about the numbers I would expect to see out of that drive if it was plugged directly into the computer. For a SATA drive, that is completely accepted. So this is a very nice dock. It can read mechanical and solid state drives. It can connect USB-C or USB-A, and it can read at the full speed that that drive is capable of. So if you got some drives and you want to put them in an external enclosure, this is going to be an excellent option for that.